Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Vivian. Today I'm taking you inside our factory to show you how we create solutions for our global customer. And the place we are standing is our factory. As you can see, these are pictures with our customer from all over the world. And this is our promotional video about our factory. And we welcome everyone to visit us. Let's go to see our factory. Specialized in a range of laser machines, from laser welding machines, laser cleaning machines, and laser marking machines. Today I'm excited to introduce one of our most efficient production, the 3000 water continuous laser cleaning machine. This high-performance machine is designed for large area rust and coating removal, and is low consumable usage. Let's take a closer to look at the main features. This is our laser source. This machine is equipped with a 3000 water continuous fiber laser. It delivers high cleaning efficiency, perfect for rust and coating removal over large areas, and it can clean up to 15 to 25 square meters per hour. It's depending on the surface. It's our water cooler. It's equipped with water cooler and adopt a closer loop water circulation system, which has strong cooling capacity and more stable operation. It's a powerful water cooling system, and this is our control system. A user-friendly touchscreen control system. You can easily adjust parameters such as laser power, frequency, cleaning width, and scanning speed. This is our double pendulum cleaning head, which has 2 motors and 6 cleaning modes. And there are 8 cleaning holes below, from which air is released to protect the lens, which can extend the service life. And the cleaning head is very lightweight, suitable for the operator to work for a long time. The consumables of continuous laser cleaning machines are protective lenses, and protective gauze. To learn more about 3000 watts laser cleaning machine or explore custom-made solution, please feel free to contact us.